So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in Windows Memory Diagnostic. Click on it and then click on restart now and check for problems. Now it's going to restart, wait for this to load. And we're now going to be on this. It's now going to start checking for memory problems. Wait for this to load. And then once it's been completed, it will take us back into Windows. Then we're going to move on to the next step. So you want to run this whole scan. I'm going to skip the video to when it's completed. And then once you're back in Windows, you may get a pop-up right here saying no memory errors were detected. Or if they were detected, it will tell you right here. And you could also head over to search and type in Event Viewer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to expand Windows Logs. Now you're going to click on System. And now you're going to right click on System and then click on Find. And then once we're here, you're going to type in Memory Diagnostics Results. And then click on Find Next. And then once this loads up, you're going to find Memory Diagnostic. You're going to click on it. I've got two right here. So if I click on it, it will now tell us in this box right here under General if there's been any errors that have been found.